So in this show, I call your partner, we confirm if your partner is loyal or not. If your partner is loyal, you get 1,000 rand.
Why don't you chill out now? I'm a partner, and I can't say nothing to tell you.
So yeah, Saba man. It's fine. Also win 1,000. Also win 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal.
Okay.
So I believe you're in a relationship, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how long have you been in a relationship?
Don't say 2 years.
2 years. So one kamalako.
Mina Dogozo.
Dogozo.
Yeah.
Okay. And you told one?
Ngijana Lindi.
Okay. 2 years.
Yeah, 2 years.
So you don't mind if it's some phone?
Ngempela dog. Ngiyamthemba.
Sembela.
Yeah.
Isimali semanje kuyashisa la mfethu. Ngasikhona uhlala phansi nyana.
Oh, siyancishe ne.
Yeah.
Abana flop indlu
You don't mind if I come?
Yeah.
Okay. Umjita ngeke mind if ngihlala naye because okay, ngeke ngizofonela yena ngithi yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Right mara kuyashisa ne?
Yeah, hey mara never.
You never?
Sisiyashutha hey.
Oh, never vele.
Mfethu zasekasa sijwayelanga lezi.
Ngizokunikeza 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal.
Okay.
Yebo?
Asikhonvinza manje.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, so mfethu, as you said, you've been dating for quite a while. Do you guys have a baby?
Ingosi yes na.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So asango experience cheating in your relationship?
Lezo nkathi zikhona maka sengigrand no.
So grand. Okay. So go ufake my number mfethu simfonele ne. Yeah. I want to share little shades.
Yeah, mfethu his future is too bright.
Hey.
Yeah, it's too bright.
Zakhaya.